In this video, we're going to show you how to create a stunning website for free, step by step. After watching this video, you don't need to spend a single penny to create a website again. In fact, even if you have zero knowledge of coding, you'll still be able to create this website. So make sure to follow along with this video till the end. Now let's start the video. First, click on the first link which is given in the video description. This will take you to this website. This is an all-in-one marketing tool that you can use to manage all your marketing campaigns. And we are going to use this software to create our website. First, we need to create a free account here. So, click on this sign up button and enter all your details to create a free account. Once everything is done, it will take you to this page. This is the dashboard of this software. On the top menu, you'll see a lot of options. Here, click on this funnel option. And then click on this create button. Next, give your website a name. Then select one of these four options. And then select your currency. Now, click on the website you just created. Here, you can add different pages to your website. To do that, click on this Add Step option. Next, give your page a name, and select the page type from the list. Then you'll get to see some pre-made templates based on your choice. You can preview these templates by clicking on this Preview button. The goal is to select one of these templates, and then make changes to it as per our requirements. Once you find a good template, click on this Select Template button. Then you can give your page a name, like Home Page, About Page, etc. And then click on this Save button. Then you can click on this button to view the entire page. And to make changes on this page, click on this Edit button. This will take you to the website editor, where you can start making changes to your page. This is a complete drag and drop editor, which means that you don't need any coding experience to design this page. You can simply select the entire text here, and then replace it with your own content. To change this image, select it, and then click on this Upload option on the left. And then you can upload your own image here. Then on the left-hand side, you'll see a block option. Here, you can find different pre-made blocks that you can use on your web page. You can drag and drop these blocks to wherever you want on your page. And then you can also delete the blocks that you don't need. Then we also have different elements on the left, which we can add on our web page. For example, you can add the video element from here, and then paste the video link. You can add different rows and columns from here. This software provides a bunch of elements that you can use to customize your website. Be it countdown timer, FAQ, sign-up form, or whatever you want to add. And then make sure to save all your work by hitting this Save button. Then, to add a different page, click on this Create Step option, and then choose a name and page type from here. Then you'll get some more templates based on your choice. And just like we edited the first page, you can design your entire website using this software. You don't need to spend a single dollar to launch this website. But we recommend you to buy a professional domain, and add it to this website. A professional.com domain will help your website rank in the Google search results, and also good for building trust with your website visitors. You can buy a professional.com domain from Namecheap, and then connect it with this website. You'll also get a professional business email along with your domain, that you can use for business purposes. We hope that this video will help you to create your website. If you want more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.